Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel One2Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can trade BTCSD daily on your MetaTrader 5. To do so, first of all, make sure your device has the same Wi-Fi connection and then open up your MetaTrader 5. After opening up your MetaTrader 5, you just have to go on to trades, which is on the bottom of the screen, and after that click on the plus button, which is on the top right corner of the screen. If you do so, it will take you to this kind of screen. Right now, if you click on the dollar icon, again on the top right corner of the screen, you can see all of these crypto you can exchange, buy or sell with. But here there is no option for BTCSD because for the past 2 years, it has been removed from MetaTrader 5, so you are not currently able to trade BTCUSD on your MetaTrader 5. But you can definitely trade all of these crypto coins that is showing on your screen. So guys, I hope you guys find out the information of our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.